everyone, Fantix here, back with another Loomian Legacy Part 3 tutorial series, whatever you want to call it. But today, or in the last episode, we did mute the buttons. Yeah, just go watch Part 2 if you want to see what we did. But yeah, now what we're gonna be doing is a talk to NPC, and you click them, and we're gonna finish the intro a little, or yeah. But we're gonna be doing some things to the buttons real quick. So go inside your manager script, and once this comes up, you're gonna do script.parent.intro items. The new game button, and I want to do tween size. In the way we have to do dot mouse. I forgot what it was. Mouse hover? No. Mouse. It was mouse something. Sorry. Mouse enter. There we go. Script tween size udem2.new, and I'm gonna go here and change position to that. Let me just get this position. There we go. How big do we want it to get? A little bit bigger, like that. Let's just do that. Put it here, and then we can undo this. Wait. Oh yeah, I deleted this animation thing. You guys can delete it too. Okay. I don't know why it's not showing that. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna mess this up. We will comment that out, and what we have to actually do, let's actually make a variable for this. Local is hovering, and then back to here. So what you want to do is script.parent.intro items.new game button .mouse enter connect function, and we can do is hovering is equal to true, and I forgot to do equal to false here, and here we could do this, except remove that, of course, and we could just delete that, and that should make it bigger. Let's actually give it a try real quick, and I'll leave it right here. Let me just mute the music because it's really loud. So yeah, and then this comes up. There we go. So we need to make it when you leave, and the tween is too slow, so we can fix that. And we need to make it when you leave, it goes back to normal size. So that's really simple as well. So what you want to do, alright, so instead of this, you want to actually do start using direction. Mouse, we're doing mouse enter. So in out comma enum dot using style dot win comma 0.5 comma true, and then we could do and I actually want to see how that looks real quick. Alright, so let's see. There we go. I think that looks better. Yeah, and now we could do same thing, So we do mouse leave, and we copy the size that's right here. Delete these things, and let's test that. Okay. So there we go. There we go. Okay. That's how you do that. Yep. Okay. Maybe we can even make it faster, because I like it. I would like it if it was faster. So yeah, this is basically how fast it is, these numbers. Yeah. Now that's all I really wanted to do for that, and we could do the yes or no for the are you sure for the new game after, but I want to do the NPC dialogue. So when you click on NPC, it'll play animation. So for now, I'm gonna use a block rig right here, and you wanna make a folder, and you wanna name it NPCs, so we don't have so many NPCs, just to make it organized basically. And now, so I think Loomian Legacy has it when you click, and it changes the mouse cursor. So I'm thinking of a way to do this. Okay. Make a part, put it inside of the dummy. Name it click part. And we can put it right here. Put it as big as the as your NPC, so like this. And then what you want to do is transparency 1, can't collide, and there you go. Add a click detector, and to change the cursor, you just have to put it here. I'll show you guys after. And max activation distance, I'm gonna put it to 15, and that's it for that. Okay, we're not putting any scripts in it. That's it. So let's make a module, so this is so much easier. We can name it dialogue module, so we can make it easier. And we're gonna do dialogue module, and we can do, so I'll show you guys how to add more than one, but we're gonna do this. Okay, now this is the first message, so, or like dialogue. So this is for we can just test saying hi, and I'm just gonna make 3. I'll show you guys how to add more, of course. My name is Dami. Yeah, it's just some just a test. Okay. Oh, in order for these errors to go away, you want to add commas. And to the last one, you don't want to add a comma. And make it say some random stuff. I don't know. This is just test, okay? And just do whatever you want. That's our module. Now we could do the actual GUI. So we're gonna need to do that, and visible, and disable the script, and add a whole new screen GUI. Name it to a dialogue, a GUI, and we can. That's fine, yeah. You can add a local script in here, okay? But we can edit that later. Add a frame, and then name it to dialogue frame. Add a string value inside the frame, name it to NPC name. Okay, and I actually did this before, so I think I remember these settings. So 0,1. I'm gonna do that. 0.5. 0 border. Size I did, I think 1 comma 0, and then 2.25 comma 0. And then for the position, you want to do 2 0. Yeah, visible of course. And yeah, do the string value, add a text button, name it, I don't know, input btn, and I'm gonna make this red. And 0, background transparency to 1, and then you want to do position 0. Yep. Size we want to change 1 comma 0 comma, yeah, like that. Index 2, and for this we're gonna do fantasy, no text, text scaled, or no text scaled, and yeah, text wrap, no, and that's everything I think. Okay, add a text label. This is the dialogue text. Yeah, we can name it that, and then I'm gonna do 0.5. This doesn't really matter. You don't have to change that. Especially this one too. I do not know why I changed that. I could just change it back real quick. Okay. You want to make it in the middle of the frame, so that's the middle, and then for size, like that, and then do the same thing here. Yeah. And this is gonna be controlled by script, so it doesn't really matter, but whatever you want. Fantasy text scaled, I'm gonna make it white. Yeah, I'm gonna add a UI text size constraint, and max text size is gonna be 48, and min text size is gonna be 10, and there we go. And we could do so we're gonna make it so when you click you can skip it, so they have like we could do image label and make the image color red. Alright, for now we're gonna do a text. Actually, no, put it back. I'm gonna do it just like them. So red, I kinda need to see this, but I haven't done this yet. Okay, this is how it looks so far. And the image background transparency to 1, and so we have to put it like down here, and theirs is actually up, so okay, I think theirs was like up here. Let's just resize it. Yeah, let's just resize it however you want it and make it white. Kind of forgot how theirs was, but I think it was white, and they made none of that. And text color black, I think they had it. And I'm gonna add a UI corner to this just to make it look better. And for this red thing, this is like an icon. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just gonna name it a prompt. and it's okay. Okay, we need to find an image on Google, so let's do that. Okay guys, so I already found one that I like right here in Google. You search up red down arrow, and you want to make sure it's a PNG like this. It has no background. And you want to save the image as, and save it to wherever you want. And then we can go back to Roblox Studio, change the image right here, press this, add image, press choose file, find the file, and name it arrow or whatever, and then it's right there. And we can even resize it and put it right there. And the size was like that. And yeah, okay. Now we can start typing this local script right here. This is the main, basically, main handler. So we can just name it to a handler. And I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. And what you wanna do is make a variable for replicated storage. So rep storage is equal to game.service replicated storage, and then you want to do local tween service game.service tween service, and then you want to get the module module is equal to require you want to do, and then you want to do rep storage, and then you want to do we named it this. Okay, and then you want to do local player is equal to game.players.local player. Local player. Local NPCs is equal to workspace.npcs. Local dialog frame is equal to script.parent.dialog frame. Local input button this is like the input button is to skip the text, the dialog basically. Input button is equal to dialog frame dot input btn btn, and then last variable here is going to be dialog frame dot NPC name. I don't think they had an NPC name. They didn't. Okay, so you want to do local dialog open is equal to false. Local dialog tween is equal to nil. Local dialog index is equal to 0, and local gradual text in progress is equal to false. And you want to make a function, so local function gradual text, and then you want to do if gradual text in progress, then return. And then you want to do local length is equal to string.len text. For I is equal to 1, comma length right here, comma 1 do. Gradual text in progress is equal to true. Dialog frame dot dialog text dot text is equal to string dot sub text, comma 1, comma I. Yep, that should work. And then you want to add a wait, and then you want to do this, put this back to false, and then you want to make another function local function on dialog, we can call it dialog, comma index, comma click. Yeah, click, because we're doing a click detector. If dialog right here, index, then gradual text, the function, dot dialog, index, and then yeah, else, if dialog tween, then dialog tween cancel. Dialog tween is equal to nil, and yeah, local tween to tween service, create dialog frame, comma tween info, info dot new 0.25, comma enum dot using style dot exponential, comma enum dot using direction dot out, and then you want to do delete this, comma do that, and then do that. Okay, and then position is equal to udem2 dot new 0, 0, 2, 0. Go down here. Dialog tween is equal to tween, lowercase, dialog tween play. We click dot enabled is equal to true. Dialog open is equal to false. Dialog index is equal to 0. Player dot character dot humanoid root, no, player dot character, yeah, wait, humanoid root part dot anchored is equal to true. Hold on. Input button dot mouse button one click connect function. This is the skip again. If gradual text in progress, then return. We can do here local dialog is equal to dialog module and PC name. Wait. Well, oh. Okay, so NPC. Okay. How can we do this? Raw. A local NPC name is equal to dialog frame dot NPC name. Get this. NPC name. Dot value. Yeah. Dialog index plus equal to 1 on dialog function. Dialog. Nope, I didn't have it copied. A dialog. Let's just remove that. Okay, sorry guys, comma dialog index, comma NPCs, NPC name dot value, dot humanoid root part, and then that should work. For comma NPC in pairs, NPCs get children, do local humanoid root part, or local click part is equal to NPC find first child, and we named it click part. There we go. Probably like this click part. Yeah, I think, yeah. No. This line will be down there, and local humanoid root part is equal to NPC find first child humanoid root part. Okay, if humanoid root part and click part, then click part we'll do local dialog is equal to dialog module npc.name, and then we do click part dot I think it was mouse click part. Click part dot mouse click connect function. If dialog open, then return, and then you want to do dialog open is equal to true, click part dot parent is equal to rep storage. So wait, no, actually, how can we disable the click detector? Don't really know yet, so we're gonna skip that part right now. And then we're gonna do NPC name dot value is equal to NPC dot name player dot character dot humanoid root part dot incurred is equal to true. If dialog tween, then dialog tween cancel, and we're gonna do dialog tween is equal to nil, and then local tween again. It basically just wants to do the same thing we did here. Except change this to a 1, and everything else should be good. Except now we do a dialog tween is equal to tween dialogue tween is equal to, no, no, we don't want to do play. Dialogue index is equal to 1, and then you want to do on dialogue, comma dialogue index, comma click part, and that should be it. Let's test it real quick. And click output, mouse click. Yep, okay. Kind of forgot what it was called. So I'm gonna test it real quick. Click detectors. Snip that parent to the click detector dot mouse click. Click part mouse. Oh. Click part dot. Oh, I'm dumb. Sorry. That's so dumb of me. You have to do dot click detector, I think, yeah. Okay, now let's test it. And let's see. Okay. Interesting. That's not where we really want it either. Let's see. Tween, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, so, I kind of got these confused and I'm really dumb. I just noticed it. This has to be 1. This will be 0.25. And I'm gonna shrink it again. And then the position of the frame will be 0, 0, 2, 0. And I think that should work now. Let me test and see. Click. Hi, my name is Dummy. There we go. Okay. Enabled is not a. Okay, yeah. Workspace.dummy. A humanoid group. Okay, yeah. So, we're gonna remove that. So, and now we can't move. But in order to move again, and the reason it's down there is because of these. We need to fix these between positions. 0 and wait, I wanna see if I put it 1. Okay. Yeah, that's why I can't. So, okay. Let's move it back up here. Okay. And then copy the position. What if we just do that? Okay, yeah. And you want to put it here. And that will tween. And if we copy this one and put it here. Now let's test it. and see if it works. There we go. My name is Dummy, and then just the random things. Okay. And then it tweens back. But I want it to come from up here. So if we make this 0, okay, there we go. That's what we want. And let's actually test. I think we have to change one more value. I think. Let me just see. Okay. Oh, okay. Probably because we need to minus 0. So why is it showing in game? This is a little bit confusing. Okay. We're gonna have to move it more up then. Let me just do this. Okay. If we move it up like that, and do 44, no, 22, 11, okay, yeah, okay, this is a little bit confusing. It shouldn't be showing, but it does. I want it to show here. But that's okay. I am so confused right now. Let me put it back and let me see. Okay, yeah, it doesn't show there. Tweens, okay. I want this to go back to normal. And no, that's already normal. But for some reason it shows. It's probably because of the size. This is that. And then let me do that, and then try. Okay, I think that went up a little. My name is Dummy. And then it tweens back up. Okay, this is getting annoying, but it works. And yeah, let me just try to figure this problem out. Like that. Okay, because of this. No. This is so confusing, sorry guys. Let me do that. What is this? 67. 067. Okay. Okay, minus 201. Wait, no. Minus 201. Okay. 5. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I think this will fix it. I don't know. But let me see. There we go. There we go. Okay, but that's too much. So we want to. I know how to fix this. Pretty simple. just find where you want it to be. Make this 67, 0.67, I mean, and right there, and then put it here, put that there, put that there, and you want to do this, and that should work now. Let's see. There we go. And then it goes back up. Okay, finally. That works. Yeah. We made a dialogue thing. So yeah, that's basically it for dialogue. And to make it move your character again. Well, did we get our players humanoid? Because instead of humanoid root part, we could do something else. Player.character dot player dot humanoid, I think it's like that. Walk speed is equal to 0. Let me see. And you can move. Can't move anymore. Humanoid is not a valid member of player. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. Okay. Yeah. So I change this back. Redo false. Alright, for now just delete these lines. Line it right here. And it should work. Okay. Then you can still move. Okay. That works. Alright everyone, I'm ending the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. My God helps me a ton. And join the Discord server, link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!